Now, how would you help? So let's say when you've spoken to the client, as the client has told you that in order for me to be able to sleep well, I need to find a way where the the sounds and the light in the room are proper. Now, what will you do for this?
Tell that person to make the same arrangements, whatever is required.
So ask the client, what arrangements can you make? And while this may sound silly and stupid, you'll be surprised how many clients have actually not thought about it. I had a
But they
client
may
who,
also be having excuses for that, no? कि हो नहीं सकता, possible नहीं है, but maybe my spouse is waking up late, etc., etc.
correct. So what you want to do is first check what is possible, because there are a lot of times where things are possible and clients have not even done that. Well, something as simple as I would bring a noise cancellation earbud and put them in my ear before I go off to sleep. There are people who will tell you, "Yeah, I had not even thought about it." I had so this was day before yesterday, right? And this is how it at times works out. So Misbah wanted to sleep early. She went off to sleep. And we have this new restaurant that has come up next to our house, where in the night they are kind of singing loud songs. Now, some days singers are good, some days singers are bad. So kind of we are at their mercy at times. Right? So we had one of those days, day before yesterday, where the singer was really bad. Now, Misbah goes off to the bed, she's sleeping. And she wakes up in some time because the आवाज बहुत जोर से आ रही है. And so she calls me and she's like, "नितिन नींद नहीं आ रही यार, मतलब I want to sleep but I'm not able to sleep." Okay, I go into the room and I tell her, तो वो उसको क्यों सुन रहे हो तुम अगर तुमको सोना है तो? And she's like, नहीं मतलब मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया. And the window was open. All we had to do was close the window. Right now, on the face of it, it looks really simple. But in that moment, when we are having those issues, a lot of us don't actually do that because we don't even realize that.
True.
Right? For example, when someone says, my partner is working and I have to be awake. Right? As a client, what are the possibilities that you have? It's just that they have been so focused on telling their partner that their partner needs to do something about this, and their partner is the person responsible for them not being able to sleep, and they have been so comfortable fighting with their partner. It's a good pastime at the end of the day, that they have actually not been able to focus on other more simple logical things that can be done. And that's also because no one has asked them to focus on that. So when clients tell you that there are environmental factors where my father, my mother, my parents, all of these people are involved. Okay. First thing is, what can you do to ensure that their involvement can reduce? Or if they're involved, their involvement doesn't affect you as much. Or what can you do to find another time when you can sleep? Because that's also a possibility. Is this clear till here?
Sir, like,
please make a note of this. I know this may sound kind of thoda silly, but you will be surprised in how many cases this is all you need to do. नेहा आप कुछ बोल रहे थे?
सर ऐसे ही आप अभी जो बोले ना, तो यहाँ पे हमारे कुत्ते हैं, रोज रात को इतना भौंकते, everybody in our wing are saying, but this is the simple thing that we can do, like putting birds and sleeping, but we are just wasting that energy कि अरे कितने कुत्ते को हटाओ, लेके जाने को बोलो, ये करो वो करो.
So there are simple things that you can do, right?
So Nitin, we could also like put the blinders and put the ear things and then just try to sleep.
We can. Now this is for us. When you're working with clients, ask the client what you can do. If the client does not have an answer, in general, I'm kind of very strictly on no suggestions from your side. right? So ask the client, what are the other things? Can you search? Are there? So don't tell them what the products are. Tell them, are there certain products that you can use? And then let them think about the products.
Yes.
Okay? Because when you give them the product, they will always find a reason why the product will not work for them. So you may show them, and this is generally not, we don't. So when you are doing any other thing except for sleep, I wouldn't actually even tell you to give them a direction. Okay? Sleep to that extent is a slight exception because our every other work depends on the client being able to sleep well.